I made 1.6K today, so $1,600. Recently, like making $1,000 a day with an account of like 2,000, it really became like something. I won't say easy, but I would say simple, because before I wouldn't be able to do that. Like before, like if I had a 2K account, I would probably risk $100. Now I risk like between 100 to like $200 on the trade. So, and with 100 to $200 only trading gold, I can make like 400 or to 600 or $1,000 on one trade. And with gold, I have enough opportunities over a week to have a profitable week, even though sometimes I can have a profitable week and take a trade that I would try to have like a huge run and over risk, have a big lot size. That's something that I'm dealing with, but I'm able to come back and still grow the account. So making a $1,000 a day on a personal account, something really doable for me and simple to do. And I'm very happy because I used to make like $100 a day and then making 1,000 and trying to grow the account and trying to make like big figures. $1,000 a day is not bad, but being able to make like between like 2,000 and $5,000 a day, that's something really big for me, and that's something that I'm trying to get to. And I know it may take some time, but I'm really here for that, and I will do it. I will take my time, and I will only trying to risk for high probability trades. And
Okay.
yeah, right now that's all the trades that I took. As you can see, that was the first trade right here, and that was a 2.46, and another trade right here. That one got me a break even, but he finished with hitting with TP. That was a 1 to 3.2, and that one that's a 1 to 2.86, and that one right here 1 to 2.82, and right now I am in that trade right here for 1 to 2. So let me show you how I catch these trades. So it doesn't matter how much you make a day. I made 1,600 for today, and it doesn't really matter how much you make because it's about all the risk that you take in the market. So by risking like between 100 to 200 a day and like 1, 2, 3, 4 setups, I mean basically 3 setups got TP. That one right here was a break even, but the thing is it all starts from the 4 hour time frame. So that's a 4 hour time frame right here. As you can see, those blue boxes are my 4 hours level of supply and demand. So as you can see right here, we had a support level right here, and then price broke below the support level right here. As you can see, broke below it, and then come here and retested 1,000 right here. You see that? Okay, so that's one. So here you can see that we have a perfect textbook situation, but don't forget what happened right here on the left. That's a dimension right here. I didn't do anything about this dimension. I didn't put a rectangle or anything, but you can if you want, because for me it was not needed. You see, I could have done that and put a 4 hour, you see, but I saw that the way price came down right here with that bearish engulfing candle, it was likely that price goes below. And from that, you look on the daily time frame. So when you look on the daily time frame and you go way to the left, you can see that, okay, we're right here with the bearish candle, but we have something right here, as you can see. something very important, because you can see price was going up, came down right here, did a double bottom, broke above a neckline, and came down, retested it, and continue the movement to the uptrend. So this is something very important. So right here, we have a demand zone right here. So what did I do? I trace right here a line representing this demand zone, and if you look at it from here to the left, going to the right, the line is down here, down right here. So I was expecting price to break below that zone right here, the demand that I didn't put on the graph, because I was expecting price to come way below to touch that zone right here. But price didn't. What did price do? Came down onto that area right here. Okay, so that's one thing that I saw, and that a lot of people don't see usually in the market, because they're so focused on trading the smaller time frame and everything. But me, I like to see the bigger picture of a trade, because you need a bigger picture to know where the price is going. And that's why I didn't put this demand area right here on the chart. So let me delete that. So I saw that price, like I said, broke below, retested it, and continuation. So I was like, okay, we have a big area right here that can be another key level for price to come tested. People will expect that price will come retest that area right here, but as you can see, price didn't do it. What did price do? Price went until to my level right here. And I know that you're gonna have a question, oh, what are those orange box represents? So simple. Price move like a stair, I would say. There is a, it goes that way, pull back, go that way, pull back, go that way, pull back, and continuous move. So price came from up here, right? Pull back here, up here, right? Pull back here, came down here, pull back here, and respecting the same level, as you can see. And it broke down right here, right? So what do you expect? Price to come test that level right here. So that's what it did. The whole move was that. So I was waiting for price to come right here and follow the trend and take a trade. I could have taken a buy right here, down here, but the probability is not high compared to waiting for price to come to a key level, like to retest the area right here and take a sell. And also, that's one confluence. Another one is, if you use Fibonacci from the swing high to a swing low, I like to trade with a high probability setup. So I know that price gonna come retest with previous area right here, and I noticed that that area is also between 61.8 and 78.6. And for me, for my strategy personally, that area right here is very important. Why? Because I noticed that on the chart, every time, I won't say not 100% of the time, but most of the time when price come to that area and the candle, and the body of the candle doesn't close above it, like right here, the body of the candle is in the yellow area, there is a high probability that price reverse. And align that with the fact that price is retracing to retest that area. That's another key confluence again that will tell me that, oh, we have something here very important that's about to happen. And that's the second thing. The third one is what? We're gonna have a continuation of a downtrend. So what do? I could have, at first, I took a trade right here, right? And my take profit was done right here. You see, but because price wasn't moving the way I wanted to move, as you can see, price was like kind of like hesitating to break below this area. So you know what? Let me close the trade right here. Why? Because when I go on the 1 hour time frame, right here on the 1 hour with the green rectangle, you can see that what did price do? Price came from here, up here, right here, did that, retested a little bit, and go up here. I was like, okay, let me take a quick trade because I don't want price to come to that area, retest that area, and continue probably do a fake out or something and go down. You know what? Let me take a trade quick that makes sense to me, and it is what it is. And as you can see, price came down and it hit my TP, and guess what happened? After price hit my TP, it went all the way up here. So if I didn't put my TP right here, so if I didn't put my TP right here instead of down there, and price was going down and I put my stop at break even, it would have been stopped out. Okay. Oh, you look like my trade that I'm in right now is doing something. I just got an alert. Okay, we're in profit. Okay, that's cool. But as I was saying, like right here, right? So price hit my TP, and that was good, a good trade. And I'm happy to be in and out with a good risk reward ratio. And as you can see, price finally hits the zone right here, the diamond zone, and from here I saw price continuing same scenario, same thing, going up, testing, do that, and I took a trade right here. And same thing happening over and over in the market, same thing, especially on gold. Gold is very easy to trade, but sometimes it can be a bitch, but that's what it is. But yeah, so that's just an example of the way I trade and how I made the $1,600 a day. And right now I am in that position, and I will show you how much I'm floating right now.